The Construction Technology program provides learners with a well-rounded education in construction principles and practices with an emphasis on real-world hands-on learning experience in our construction laboratory. Learners build full-size mock-ups and participate in various service learning construction projects that will prepare learners for a fulfilling craft trade profession of their preference. The program and faculty are certified under the National Center for Construction Education and Research. The Air Conditioning and Heating Associate of Applied Science will prepare the student for a career in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry. The program prepares students to service existing systems and install systems in new construction. The program prepares the student for a career in the residential air conditioning and heating industry. The program also includes an introduction to refrigeration operation and prepares students for Environmental Protection Agency certification. The welding program prepares students to work in an industry that offers opportunities in manufacturing shops, maintenance shops, steel construction sites, shipbuilding, oil field operations, and ranch-related welding. The program worked with the American Welding Society and became an accredited testing facility on November 30, 2010, in response to critical labor shortages and an aging workforce. Students in the Advanced Manufacturing Technology program are sponsored and selected by Texas-famed companies. The AMT program is designed to prepare students with the Texas-famed companies for a career in advanced manufacturing in robotics, PLC, electromechanical drives, fluid power, and fabrication. The AMT program is a collaboration between SPC, local industry, and instruction is provided at the Southwest campus. Current Texas-famed companies include Toyota, HEB, CPS Energy, Caterpillar, Joyson Safety Systems, Medalsa, CH Gunther & Son, Kotex, and Toyo Tetsu. Training programs are available for both incumbent employees who are seeking to sharpen existing skills or for individuals entering the field in search of a rewarding and long-lasting occupation.